Hello, this is Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a 2022 Starcraft. This is a CX DL model. It's got the HMX performance package. This is a really nice looking boat. It's got the extended rear deck, powered by 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke. Got stainless steel ladder. Walking in, got two rear entrances with the ski tow bar. This model is pretty cool. It's got the large dinette that you can remove the table and make it into a rear lounge. Huge compartment for storage. This one's got the teak weave flooring with the in-floor storage. Dual captain seats. You have the changing room that folds down. Got the cup holders built in. Huge storage compartment underneath here. Cup holders. Again, this is a 2022 Starcraft CX model. DL Tri-Toon. If you have any questions, please call Michael at this Bay City store.